left here. This is gonna be some pretty intense stuff, but the very first thing, as I said in the audio, you gotta sign the contract. You gotta make that commitment to yourself, that promise. What is your word worth to you? And I know it seems silly. Part of you is like, okay, I promise, I'm gonna do it. No. Do it. I've attached a PDF that you can print off and sign. And if you don't want to do that, go and write your own, right? If you don't have a printer or something, go and write out your own contract, right? Make that promise to yourself. Commit to doing this. I need you to do this. Super simple. I know it's like, okay, I commit. I'm doing it. No. Let's do it. This, even though it's a little thing, don't continue on to the next stage until you have this done. The reason you need to do this is because it's a little action. I know it doesn't seem relevant, but we need to take those little wins, those little actions, so we can start to get some momentum on action. This product requires you to commit. It requires you to go full in and go like, man, I'm doing this. I'm going to do this. I'm going to get over this fear. I'm going to be the best version of myself. I'm going to get to a place in my life where I feel like I can approach anyone, participate, and really be my best self. And the reason we're going to do this, the reason how we're going to get there starts with committing. You got to do it, man. I committed a long time ago. I told myself it was not enough. You've heard my story, right? Man, I came from a crazy place, and I like I said, there's a lot of different things. You can go and get another program. You can go and watch some more stuff. And you can even skip ahead. I know part of you wants to. You're like, yeah, let's just see what's in the next one, right? I don't know if I want to do the thing. Nah, man, let's do it. Let's go all the way here. Let's get to the place where we're getting you some results. And it starts by signing that contract. When you sign a contract, there's something mentally that goes on. It actually makes that shift where you're like, okay, this is real, right? We even see that people who, write things down versus type, they remember it more. Right? This is also part of that. I need you to write. When we sign things, typically in life, it's very important, right? Whether you're signing a mortgage, you're signing a check, you're signing an agreement, that's what this is. This is an agreement. It's an agreement that you're making, not to me. To me, it's like you've already invested in me, right? This is an agreement for yourself. This is a promise to yourself. Do this. Come on, man. I need you to do this. And when you do it, you're going to be like, okay, I did it. And you won't feel any different. I know that. You might feel a little excited, but just do this, and I'll see you in the next stage.